So, new project, windmill, because it's always windy here. You can see we want to collect some power here with a smart windmill. So let's construct it, but first get the parts ready, a little bit of sawing, and then I will show you the rest. So we are a little bit building further, and it's almost done, but the concept is that we have a horizontal flow of air, so we have flaps on those four things, and they are like this, and they will catch the air and it will rotate, and they are being set up by 30 degrees separate from each other. So this is a horizontal smart windmill that will form itself with the flaps on the wind surface, so it has its own smartness. It looks like this. With the flaps here, we have four thingies, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have a 30-degree angle with this block, and we will do the same. Look, it already is catching wind. It will set itself, and the thing about this thing is that it won't make noise. So let's continue. Yay! Oh, and this is it. We made it. Is the new smart windmill. Air goes like, and there goes. And these flaps can be manipulated by the wind, so they can form in different shapes as long as the wind wants it to have a different shape, so you can adapt. This way it will catch more wind and generate power for our aquaponics greenhouse. Hooray! Now we are busy with the basics. Let's continue. So this is it. Now we are waiting for some wind to let it turn for the first time. It did turn a little bit, but it's not a good axle, you know, it's not that sufficient with turning around. Too much traction. It's a little bit too stiff to run about on its own. But I'm thinking about axle with magnets that will float this thing that is float on top of a magnet, and then you have less friction. It will spin. Now it's just like unstable mess. It's just, yeah. We need some wind, so we can see if it works. The smart windmill. Crap. Use this material for digging machines to prevent them to cut cables that are underneath. So they throw away always a big bunch of these materials. The construction workers. Now wind. Absolutely no wind. Get back when we have wind. Yes? Yes? Oh, yeah. Almost. Yeah. 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 Getting there. Free energy, yay. Will it turn? No, it's not moving. Yeah. Yeah. Ik denk dat het toch wel ergens op zit. Even wrijving. Yes. And then stuck. And yes. And then stuck. Yeah. Lazy bastard. Some serious friction options. We have some different solutions for it. Maybe we're gonna hang it upside down so it has less friction, so you can move hang free. Well, it's like opposite of a windmill that's standing. So to have a big construction around it is also a little bit blah blah. So to reduce the friction, first step idea should be magnets that will float on top of each other. You have like a North Pole and North Pole, they will just squeeze each other away from each other. So you have two magnets floating on each other and you have no friction, only on the side. That can be solved. And then we think it will run in the wind, because now you see it's like squeaking on the board, just like dinner table presentation, amuse, blah blah, house kitchen thing. It's not designed for 25 kilos or something like that. So too much friction, too much hassle, no alignment. So to be continued until next time with the Aquaponics Geodome. See you then.